Hey guys, so I am just going to be making my slime softer. So I actually bought blood out today, and I added soap to it, and also I added water. But if I add more, it probably just goes sticky. So yeah, I'm gonna be making it softer. So yeah. I've got like a board here again. Same one as I did the last one. Yeah, so I made it out of tack and soap and water. But now I'm just using the same thing. Again, the Dove moisturising thing. Okay, cat's milk. Oops. Yeah, I'm just going to put it on now. I'm not going to just put that much on, just in case. So we're just going to mix all that in. And then once it's like mixed in, once it's mixed in, we'll just like play with it. Yeah, once it's mixed in, we'll just play with it. This is like tough. It's getting softer. I can feel it. Basically done. I got it from Turkey ages ago. We were up in Turkey last year, and we were in Marmaris, and it was boiling hot up there. So if you live in Scotland and you're like, I need somewhere to live that is a place that is warm, if you want to be boiling hot and only live like 2 weeks up there, if not one, I could even survive a day. But on you go. Marmaris, Turkey. Just live there if you want somewhere to live that's warm. So yeah. Oh. I don't know if I should add colour or not. Cause I like the colour blue, but I like it dark, but I might just leave it. Ooh. It's nearly done. It's getting softer. I can definitely tell that. We're going back to school on Thursday because it's the holidays. It's not like proper holidays, it's just like February holiday. I don't know if you're there or not, but not the best yet because still needs to soften still. I don't know, I think I did it a bit more. I'm going to separate it into wee bits. I might make this one like really sticky, not really sticky, but I might make this like sticky and then add it to the whole bundle. So yeah, it might work. Don't know. Anyways, if I ruin it, it's fine because I've got more blue tack over there. I'm going to add it to it now. It's a lot softer. Don't know what the background noises are, but sorry about the background noises. It sounds like screaming. I added more. And break a bit off again. Add the rest of the lotion. This is a lot softer. And this one is stickier. So I'm going to add like a lot of lotion to this. So it's like sticky. And I'll add it to that. And it's also working. Just kneading it in. That broke easily. It's getting sticky. I think that will do. Add it to that. I think I made it a bit too sticky. That is like the worst swirl I've ever done. I'm gonna show you. It's not focusing. There. So, yeah. can, it's like putty kind of. It's like if you stretch it slow, then it stretches. Then if you stretch it fast, oh wait, no, not anymore. If you stretch it fast, sometimes it rips. And that's what putties work. I may take this bracelet off because you can hardly even hear this. Yeah, that's what it's like. My foot's getting pins and needles. I did like the tiniest bit of lotion to it. Again, still a wee bit rough. This is like kind of like butter slime. If I dyed that yellow, then that'd be cool. Can't do it anymore. My pins and needles. What? I don't know what I should call this. I might call it like cloud sky or clear sky. Yeah, I'll call it clear sky because clear sky because like you can't see any white in it, and in the sky there's usually clouds, and this is the color blue, light blue as the sky. So my sister's there. With it. Well, ripped. Yeah, this is it. Look at me, pixie dust, told me to believe. My sister should be coming up. Well, she might. I'm not sure. I think she will. I don't know. water slime. Made out of blue tack, which is cool. I don't know why I'm speaking like this. Yeah. But this is what it's like. My foot. I don't know if my sister's gonna come up. But yeah, so that's all I've got for you guys today. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. See? Wait, I'm gonna try one swirl, and then if it's good, I'll show you. Wait, try it now. Okay, it's not the best swirl, but it's good. So, show you. And then we'll just ruin it. Yeah, so, bye. I love you guys so much. Bye.